Shadim Shuri or Fiery Inferno, Akbar Shaheen. That's what we had yesterday. All right, let's take a look at Chinese stock because of the Chinese tariff that went on, and they took a beating yesterday. Yesterday, I did sell some put spread on BIDU. I had one already. It was 82. They are tight spread, 82, 81, and given that the 80.79 was fetching as much as the one that I sold last week, the 82.81, I said why not? So I sold a few more. For those that don't know, I have a rule for the past few months that the most I can sell is 4 spread per stocks. So yeah, for now it looked like it's bouncing, so I have not looked at the news. I just got up, work on some bagels. Yes, I make homemade bagels this morning. We'll find out at noontime how they turn out, because they are going in for their second proof, and then I'm gonna boil them at noon and bake them. So I have not looked at the news on tariff issues. I can only guess. Must be positive to see Baidu bounce. Yeah, I have no problem with the put spread, and even a sign. I would not mind at all having some Baidu back into the portfolio at 82 and below. Let's take a look at Baba. Baba continued to struggle since the big pop on earning. It would be the one I stay away and continue to stay away. Right, there is no reason to play Baba right now unless you want to play the short, which I would know. Would I short? No. Would I go long? No. It's one of those position right now where it's not attractive enough to short, nor it is attractive enough to buy. MLCO had earning. It's okay. I did add a little bit at 5.2, I believe, was the price I paid. I'm still not in full position, because the full position would be if it came down to the ref low below 5, and it did not. Looking fine. Like I said, it came out of the channel, right? Assuming that even if you don't look at this as a channel, to me it is a channel. It tried to come out of the channel, it fell back in, it came out, it came back in. Yesterday it looked promising, and then of course the tariff thing kind of knocked it down. So give it a few days to see what's going on. But when and if it starts to run, I let it run until I get to the that right there, the 7-ish. Okay. Looking coffee, best of the bunch, but it has come back. Would I buy Looking? No. The spot that I would really like to buy a Looking is, of course, down here, right? But I think that might be behind us. Looking is doing really well. Okay, it has 3 quarters in a row of good earning. It's solid. It is definitely mending. It is eating Starbucks lunch. There is no if or buts about it in Asia. Not just China, in Asia. We are opening store left and right everywhere, from Indonesia to Malaysia to Singapore, you name it. They're not in Vietnam, and I doubt if they will be in Vietnam at all. I said this many times, if you go to Vietnam, you see why. There is a coffee shop every corner. Literally every corner, sometimes 2. And there is just no room. Okay? All right. Last one. fan favorite. Before I give my opinion, just because anyone on YouTube or on TV say negative things about a stock, only foolish, naive people would jump into the conclusion that that person is short something. Just as if I say something positive about a stock, does not mean that I am immediately long about the This is nonsense. Yeah, I think NIO was shit for many years. Doesn't mean I shorted. If that person bothered to go back weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks, there was time where I said, right here, this is all about technical analysis, TA. Learn to read the chart. The last time it broke a trend line was way back in September. Go back and look. I talk about it. That was the time to go long. And then it got here. And guess what? This is not. Let's draw this line. Let's highlight this line white so that we can see what it is. As always, I advise people, divorce your opinion about the company from the chart. You can hate the company, you can love the company, but the chart, TA, will tell you when to buy or sell. It is that simple. That's how we trade here. That's how I trade here, not any other reason. If you go back 3 years, you see that white line, okay? There you go. The previous white line that I drew last year, for those that remember, yeah. Once it broke that white line, long all you want until it get there, okay? This is key. This white line is not a joke, okay? Look, once, twice, 3 times, and we are here, all right? We are here. So back to the 1 year chart. Guess what? Last time it came back up there, fast rejection, right? So it is key. So if you want to go long, be patient. You can accumulate here, divorce your opinion that it is a shit company with shit product, with shit fanboy. Dipshits. Learn how to use TA instead of trying to be some dipshits. There will be a breakout, and that breakout can be violent and big. All right, so let's look into the future. If this thing break over this white line, can it run to 7? Absolutely. You can look at something that can be an 80% return in a short time frame like this, right? This is a 1 month work from 9.5 to, not even a month, 9.5 to 9.30, and then it retrace. So it could be, history likely will repeat. This is TA. That's why we use TA, not personal obsession. All right, people.